All right, we just checked out at Amacola Falls Lodge. Now we made it to Dahlonega. So we are going to explore downtown, go see the Gold Museum here, stop here at the Canopy Roots Coffee first. There's that, waiting for our coffee now. And then just play it by ear. It's been a little rainy today, so we're just going to see what we can do inside today. Where are we? Dahlonega. What is it?
Daddy, a stick.
Spicy pork. How is it?
Thank you.
How is it?
Good. That's the collection. $3 gold. Heavy. It's probably worth like $8,000.
This is it's about $3,000 for that.
Oh,
That's okay.
bruh. You want to touch the real gold?
Yeah.
Hold it.
Can I touch the real gold?
That's $3,000 worth of gold you're holding. What do you think of the gold? Just finished up at the Gold Museum. Now we're gonna check into our hotel and maybe go swimming. You guys wanna go swimming?
Yeah.
And then do dinner a little later. Just wrapped up swimming. We're gonna go eat at Bourbon Street Grill. You guys getting hungry yet? We are spending another day here in Dahlonega, and we just learned that Dahlonega was the first city in the United States that was a part of the gold rush in the 1830s. Remember why it's called Dahlonega?
Because Dahlonega means yellow.
In Cherokee, that's right. Jonah, any facts you remember about Dahlonega?
That there's gold.
You remember the first gold rush where it happened?
I think it was like 1849 or...
1838. Right here was the first gold rush.
Yep. Yummy.
What do you got? It's the usual flowery vacation.
Who wants to take for a swim? I think better breath bites.
Oh, let's load that up.
Yeah, let's load
Let's see if it works.
Maybe I should have gotten her the big bag.
Hi. Oh, almost got it.
So good.
What did you guys think of dinner?
Good. So good. Mega burn. Yum.
don't know what that means, but hopefully that's good. I'm gonna try to get some ice cream and then maybe go to the park and play before settling in for the night.
Yay.
You up there, bub?
Yeah, I'll show you. We're mighty warriors. 29, 30, 39, here I come. Found you! Joan, I found you as I found you! Ah, dang it!
Got him.
Found you! Oh, man! 6, 7, ready or not.
All right, we are at the Crisson Gold Mine. We are going to go do some gem mining, some gold mining and panning. Kids are excited. It's a little rainy and cloudy, but we're gonna make the best of it. Excited to get started.
Look at these ones.
Guys, we're panning for gold. We're going to be sifting for gemstones. Do two different things, okay? Go side to side. Gold is the heaviest thing in here. That gold is going to sink to the bottom pretty fast. You want to take that pan and create a little bit of a wave in there. You're just going to leave that gold on the bottom. You won't lose it. Look right there at the top. See the little pieces? Gold hit over $3,000 an ounce the other day.
I found big pieces of gold. These are big. Look at these.
Yeah.
They're not big.
You put it right in there and it'll sink. What do you got, bub? Oh. Cool. Ezra, what are you doing, bub? All right. Whoa, look at those. Holy cow. Whoa, got your pyrite? See what's in here.
Moonstone, apatite, pyrite, yep, jasper, got a garnet, moonstone. This is chrysocolla, real similar to turquoise when it's polished.
Oh, beautiful.
Jasper, this is labradorite. Get that in the sunshine and turn it, it's got rainbow colors in it. And we do have some citrine. Good job there, guys.